If you're investing internationally from India, buying US ETFs directly might not be the most efficient way.
Most people, when investing globally, usually buy US ETFs directly, like the S&P 500 through US brokerage apps. However, there is one massive problem that nobody talks about: US estate taxes. If a non US resident dies holding US listed assets, anything above $60,000 can be taxed up to 40% by the US government. So imagine building a 5 lakh rupee portfolio into crores over the next 20 years, only for a huge chunk to go towards taxes later. This is why many global investors use UCITS ETFs instead. These are usually domiciled in Ireland or Luxembourg, and they track the same indices. So instead of buying a US listed S&P 500 ETF, you buy an Ireland domiciled version. Now this changes everything. No US estate tax exposure, better tax treaty benefits on dividends. It still gives global diversification, and they're often preferred by most HNIs and family offices. So structurally, it's usually way more efficient for non-US investors. That said, liquidity can be lower, expense ratios may differ, and not every platform in India offers access. But this is exactly what PASA is built for: helping the global Indian invest globally, intelligently, and efficiently. So if you're serious about building long term global wealth, you should know the difference between investing internationally and investing efficiently. Get started on PASA to understand what global investing can look like